Alright, I switched it. Because one of them didn't have a hole for tightening it down. And I think... Oop, yep, moving.
No, he took us at first airplane ride. Airplane ride, okay. He got his pilot's license on his 16th birthday before he even tried to drive an automobile. He had little interest in automobiles. Surprising to a boy back in that era, but he had become very passionate about airplanes as a small boy. He had his mom and saved every penny from everything he did to buy model airplanes that he built and flight magazines.
I want to be able to see what's going on, but it said to put masking tape on it to protect it, so of course that's in the way, and that's exactly where the clips are going to be. Oh, alright, it's pushing it down. It is probably going to be a bitch to get this thing back in. I'm not looking forward to that. I'll turn it a little bit so watch and see what's going on. I should turn my headlamp. Oh, I already got one of the sleeves.
Over the ground, that he was either flying or didn't fall, but he's just hovering in his dream. He did have that.
Looks like you don't need a whole lot to undo it.
He was very reluctant to tell it.
You need to push this around. Oh, that's...
There was a spiritual side to him, but he wasn't the sort of person who would emphasize, the element of dreams, for example, in who he was.
It's going a little crooked. Alright, I got it loose. Alright, now I can slowly back it off. Yep. Taking out the valve. That's going to be hard to see when I'm putting it back. It's getting loose. Alright. It's off. It almost, I think it basically reseated the that valve. Oh, shit. Turn it.
Of course, he didn't realize that there were all sorts of things yet to come.
Well, so James Hansen, I want to talk with you in some detail about an area.
I don't want to lose these. Very important.
His 2-year-old daughter, Karen. So first of all, let's just play a scene here from the movie First Man. You'll hear Ryan Gosling, who plays me in the scene. He's asked about Karen's death.
So,
I was sorry to hear about your daughter.
outer spring. Yep, I remember there's 2 of them. I know that little seat or the rest or whatever that is. Oops, wrong thing. I'll get shit all over it. Oh, that seal doesn't look too good. I got this thing connected to the battery. That seal doesn't look perfect. And I bought a new guide because my buddy told me it was probably bent. Shit. I don't even know if it's gonna come out. I'm about to tap it. Because it's just supposed to slide in there, nice and free. Oh, there it goes. Yeah. I think you might be able to tell just by looking at it that it's bent. Like, I can see it ever so slightly. He said, my buddy said, he's like, I think the valve is bent. And I think he was right. Right? I don't know what's the best way to prove it. Let me think about this. What's a good way of doing this? Stick it in the end of my drill. Let's do that. Let's stick it in the old drill. Spin around and we'll see the whittles. Now, I bought a new valve stem anyway, so I'm gonna place it. So I don't really care about fucking up the end of it. I'm pretty sure this is fine. I am gonna be gentle with it. Watch this. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Yeah, this valve is fucked. Alright. Well, that proves it. Settles it. You got a bent valve. I don't know how the hell to get the seal out. Does it sit on something? I thought the fucking seal would, like, have come off already. Shit. Alright, so I'm gonna get in a little deeper just to remove the seal. Yeah, hopefully it just comes out okay. I'm taking out that guide anyway, because I bought a new guide. Because if it's bent, then the guide might be fucked. I figured it was worth it. That there, there's not much seating on it. I can't see the difference. I'll see how we make some better videos later. But yeah, I got it out.